Oh my gosh, it's early. Man, it's early. I feel like crap. Straight crap. I'm sick, but we gotta get at it. We gotta get at it. It's Friday, March 14th. I hope y'all had a great week. We did okay in the markets, but I'm trying to see what we can hold over the weekend. See if we can find some movers over Saturday and Sunday so we can exit on Monday. How y'all doing? Make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna get right to it. We're gonna look this market. I got a scanner running on my phone here, and I'm gonna try to look for a couple plays that we can look at, potential moves and plays that we can make, and let's see what we got here. I have a couple things that came up on the scanner: BABA, LI, SMCI, JD. Let's look at a couple of these. Oh, I am using Robinhood Legend. I don't know why I think I've became a fan of it. It's very accurate with pricing and levels, especially when you're comparing it with others like TradingView or Thinkorswim. Sometimes this is just a lot more accurate. So let's get right to it. I'm going to mark this chart on SMCI. Let's try to look for some major levels here of price action. Here we have some orders down here, gaps that hasn't been filled. Excuse me, be sniffing a lot, man. That's just this cold is killing me. And then we have an accumulation area right here. This is where price accumulated in this box. And we're going to draw a fancy line in the middle of that box. Yeah. We'll match it with the box so we can understand what's going on. I sh Actually I like it, the bears coming in. Um, this move came out of here on February 3rd when the distribution phase started. So let's see here. March 3rd, it came all the way back to value. Okay. So I like this to continue coming down. Uh, yeah, my bearish is down. The question is how long? I think this comes down for another 30 days, 2 weeks to 30 days. And that's how far out I'll probably pick the contract for. And we're going to be aiming for these levels down here for a target. So now let's just find out which day we can trade this bear move to try to make something out of it. This is SMCI, by the way. So we're looking for swing highs and swing low points. I don't think I can draw on this chart. Lines, shapes, advanced, annotations, call out, arrow, path, pencil. Okay, maybe I can. So looking for the swing highs and swing lows. You got one here. And, oh wow, you got to do it every time. And you got one here. So here is our accumulation phase right here. Today seems like a good day to enter this market. Um, so what we'll do is, it's a great day to enter this market. We're gonna mark this candle right here. Okay, okay. We would like it to tap this area again. Oh, I like this. This is flowing good. And I will look for puts down here, but this is how I look for my exits. I will draw Fibonacci and I will use my extension. Basically just drawing it from this day's correction. This candle, it's not a lot, but which means this move isn't expected to be too big. Here's my first price target. I believe this should hit by Monday. Okay, 37.40. And my next price target, obviously, is here. So I'm thinking it should hit by Monday. And this is SMCI. When we get up here in this area, we would get a $38 put for down here. It's like it's a good move. It can pay some huge gains. And this should happen by Monday or Tuesday for this move to come here. No later than Monday, probably today. But since today seems like an entry day, it could take a little while. $38. Now, let's move this widget and we're going to see how much an actual put is. I didn't mean to show that, but oh well. Option chain. Oh, it just took over the whole screen, didn't it? We don't want it to do all that. We want our chart back. Still trying to work this Robinhood legend thing, y'all. Okay, so we looked at a put, $38 put for next week. Next week would be the 21st. And on your phone, you can add it to the watch list. Here, you can't. Currently, the price is 194, between 194 and 198. We should probably get a big discount, um, maybe 25 to 50% off of this price. But I will be looking for that type of put right there. Here's the next strike price that could potentially happen too. So a $36 put is also warranted. $36, yeah. And those are not on here. Let's see. $36 puts are 121 and 123. Further out of the money so you can get a bigger correction. You might can get 50% off of these puts here. $36 puts for next week. I like them. And they're cheap. They should be cheaper, 50 cents. 50% discount should be coming. All right, so I'm going to go over the next one. Look at something else here. I want to see if anything is popular on this list. Let's look at Intel. From past experience, I know them to be a slow mover, but who knows? Volatility is in the market. We never know. So again, let's look at this chart here. We do have an accumulation area here. And let's draw the middle, the value line here. So this is the 11th of March. I'm actually bullish on this one. I'm bullish on this here. The IOC on the daily, let's mark that. Okay, we got that marked. And let's find out where is current price. I'm going to confirm on a daily too. I mean, weekly, see if we're strong enough. Look at this. Pretty bullish here. And it's sitting on that value line right here, the daily value. So here's the swing high. low. We can't, I don't think we can enter this market until Tuesday. Tuesday seems like the next day to enter this market. Let's see here. One, two. Actually, today's a good day too. If I'm following this cycle from the beginning of what's this last week? 7th. Here's your swing high, swing low. Here's your accumulation. 2 days after the line. Oh, okay. I'm bullish, but today we should be coming back. We should be coming back today. So I like $22 puts for next week at this area. Let's see what they looking like. $22 puts for next week. Look at this. 27 bucks. These are real good. Oh, what a $23, $55. Yeah, I really like these. Now we just wait for a change in character on the 15 minute, and this is gonna be sweet. This is gonna be the trade of the week. Intel. So if you looked at the previous videos on how I find my trend line, this is how I use them. I look for the highs, right? There goes one. And then I connect that with this low here. See, that's the low that gave me this high. And I connect it with the previous one. That's it. That's all. Boom. Soon as we break, I draw the fit to find out where do we enter this market. And we broke around there somewhere. Let's look. 50% retrace perfectly. This market is going down. This one's going down. Oh, Intel looks great for a trade. All right, folks, I'm about to put this order in for a $23 put. Sorry, $22 put. I could aim for here. Let's do 22.50. They got that. We're going to do a 22.50 put on Intel, and I'm putting the order in now for it to execute when the market opens. Intel. Putting it in this actually I can do it here. I am on my live. Okay, 22.50 put. Let's check it out here. Limit price. I think we're going to get 5. Let me see. What's 10% of 100? I'm sorry, 1,000. 100? Let's get 2. We're going to get, matter of fact, we'll get 3 because we're going to get them at this price, 41 cent, 123. That's not bad. We're buying Intel. 22.50 put for next week. All right, guys, my order is placed, and I hope y'all take advantage of this. Do not enter this Intel market after today, March 14th. This is the day to enter the market. We will exit on Monday after the weekend. Enjoy y'all trading week, folks, and stay green.